And so again, like I said, you have seen today, my topic is building a social impact business. And we're going to start right away because I know Julia Neyman also, who teaches on entrepreneurship. And she runs an organization called Monetize Your Passion Academy. She will be coming in shortly. Today, we're going to be talking about the second part, which is growing a social impact business. Once you have set it up, then how do you grow it? What are some of the principles that guide the fact that you grow your business?
People with ideas that are fresh but actionable can be supported. And again, the challenge can be now in packaging. Well, you can have a good idea, but then you don't know how to package it. That's an issue that we witness. So if someone can seek for support from people that can help them. Unfortunately, the government has not been very active